Welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Redtiger F7N Touch 4K Dashcam, a popular budget-friendly option that comes packed with features, but also a few quirks you should know about before buying. Let's look at real-time footage from different times of the day so you can judge for yourself. Take a look at the sharpness, exposure, and how well it handles shadows and headlights. Let me know in the comments what you think. Here's what I think and have experienced. The F7N Touch is actually really easy to set up, and Redtiger includes a 128GB memory card right in the box, and the cable is long enough for a compact SUV, which is a nice bonus. But here's a catch. The suction cup mount isn't great. It tends to lose grip very fast. Luckily, Redtiger includes electrostatic films, also called static clings, and these really work much better with the adhesive bracket. If you're picking up this dashcam, I'd recommend using those from day one. The camera does support voice control, but honestly, it needs improvement. It works sometimes, but not consistently enough to rely on while driving. So think of it as a bonus feature, not a selling point. During the daytime, the front camera delivers decent clarity. The rear camera is more basic. I'd call it ordinary. It captures what you need, but don't expect cinematic detail. It's the night where things drop off. Both cameras show a significant decrease in quality at night. Details get softer, plates are harder to read, and overall visibility just isn't strong. So that's the Redtiger F7N Touch. Easy to install, good daytime performance, but with a few limitations, especially at night. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.